Me not have nobody. I will pay back your nurse brown if I have the money. And I same thing, me I gotta tell the judge. And then like I say me this me not pay you. And me can't go to prison for that. Man a rape or kill in America and I go to prison. So we go to prison for? For who a small little loan? For who a little loan? Me go talk to you. Alright. Listen to me now. Me no want nobody tell me say cuss Nurse Brown and bring no Nurse Brown. Cause here what happen. You see at the end of the day, I remember time when me there, see me, and one thing this boy I can't do ungrateful. If me ungrateful, I beg God kill me if me ungrateful to Nurse Brown. I beg God make me jump off of the balcony and broke me neck if me ungrateful to Nurse Brown. I one thing me can't do ungrateful. I want moderator them there. Me a come, let me call some of my mads them. Me a come. Someone don't have to get lift up. Me a come there. Let me call some of my mads them. This needs some of my mads them. This needs some of my mads them. And let me talk now. Let me talk. When me in a detention, when me there in Mexico, Nurse Brown, me thank you for your help. So much because here what happened. You see at the end of the day, when nobody else never did it, you was the one that there. I remember when it was only fearful and alone me could have called. I remember when you did it for me through thick hard thing. I remember when you have me left and you have me right. So at the end of the day, what due to Caesar, you give it to Caesar. I have the receipt. Nurse Brown take out the loan fee. True, pay him back the money. O'Neal, me never say me not pay back Nurse Brown no money, O'Neal. But if me don't have the money to pay back O'Neal, when me I go get it now? O'Neal, when me I go get it now, me not work it. It's big glass house, so I don't see me living at $1,000 a month me pay. That's why me never rent to a place by myself. Me never rent back the place to myself because me say to myself, say, me pay it little. When me can know it I start from, let me tell you no, me love Nurse Brown now. And Nurse Brown, if Nurse Brown washing foot, me drink the water. If Nurse Brown washing foot, me drink the water. Nurse Brown are one of the best because Nurse Brown don't know me for nowhere and he using credit and borrow the loan. And make me come through. You don't understand me I say? So what due to Caesar, I'm gonna give it to Caesar. I love Nurse Brown so much and nobody now gonna make me cuss Nurse Brown because hear what happen. You see what Nurse Brown do for me, no for who I go say cuss Nurse Brown wouldn't do for me. Or my son T.R. Wilson. No for who I tell me say cuss him Tikki and do this or do that. What him do for me, no for who would do for me. Oh my son guys, can me look at life complicated and I don't look at life only one side. Me look at life two sides. And me's not a bad person. Me's a good person. But people would make me feel like I'm a bad person. And I walk us Nurse Brown, me I hold up a voice note in my phone. Keep me making hear some voice note of certain things in a drop down. When me just listen to. When me even record on certain things. I love Nurse Brown with all respect and all honor. Nurse Brown, anything where you would want in this world as long as me have it, me give you. If you want me life now, me take out here and give you. Cause hear what happened. You see, if me did go back to Jamaica and I did the liar if you save me, if you make me the America now, you would have made the liar save me must the America. You don't understand me I say? If I did the liar if you save me for me the America now, you would have made the liar make me the America now. You don't understand me I say? Because suppose they say you have to get a liar for the in America. You hire the liar for me there in America. Oh my son guys. So that's me needed to wish me good. Yes. And we could talk. When we in a detention, we come in a chum time. No, me not cuss him. If me cuss Nurse Brown, nothing me not cuss him. You know why me want to cry and why me feel so hurt? I cannot cuss Nurse Brown. I cannot cuss Nurse Brown. Me feel like I would have killed myself. Me can't cuss Nurse Brown. Me want to tear. And me say me can't tear Nurse Brown. Me have to say, Jesus Christ. Me can't cuss Nurse Brown. I feel so badly that because me can't cuss him. If you want to sue me, you don't sue me. If you don't want to sue me, you don't sue me. Me hold on for the hand and the foot. People are walking do domestic violence in America, walk a rape, walk a thief, do everything, and the judge now give them sentence in a prison. Why judge go sue me for?
You two are perfect.
Why judge go lock me up for? If you tell me pay me say you and I do not have a work at this time, as soon as I get a work, I will pay him. And I will pay it back. The judge give me a payment plan. How much you can pay a week, Mr. Russell? What kind of work do you do? What you can do out of pay him back? How much for work you can pay? What's your salary? Push my name black you. What's your salary? I love Nurse Brown so much. Me love O'Neal. Me no do nobody know what do me good. Me no ungrateful to them. But some people just go lower and me go lower at them. But I won't go lower upon Nurse Brown. I don't go lower upon Nurse Brown because hear what happen. Me can't go lower upon Nurse Brown because I respect Nurse Brown. You will help me pay him. A nation inbox me, my mother, me auntie, me know you will help me. How me ungrateful? Me call for Nurse Brown attack for money because Nurse Brown, you know it's a Nurse Brown call 5 somebody. Nurse Brown and me TikTok, mother, some of me TikTok people them would that help me. Who remember when I use the cash up on Israel when I'm Lady05? See how you panic in the comment section name Fluffy. And she and Nurse Brown and me TikTok mother and the whole of them. Did that help me? When they did that help me? Me say to Nurse Brown, them help me right through come true. Sunday come in, I have nothing to go give Fluffy for Mother's Day, but me get up early in the morning and I say, Fluffy, happy Mother's Day. All if a 50,000 US me now work now for pay it. So people did it for me always did it for back for them. Me is not an ungrateful youth. How when me tear up O'Neal and me tear up O'Neal and me class up O'Neal, me still remember say O'Neal the first boy send me to Western Union. Me still remember say O'Neal did used to send me to school, but me still rub him because he rub me. But why me can't rub Nurse Brown is a different complicated situation this morning. Me can't rub Nurse Brown because Nurse Brown ask me for money. Me can't have me right or throw it away. 2 wrong can't make a right. Me done wrong already. Me can't wrong and strong pan it. Me can't wrong and strong pan it. So here what happen now. Me have to just swing lower and just make him do what he can do. And like I said, me can't cuss him, you know. I mean not cuss him, you know. Me just won't cuss him. Fuffy me not cuss Nurse Brown. Me a cuss Nurse Brown for stop me not cuss Nurse Brown. Stop. Stop. How am I moderator them day? What me need to apologize for? What me do to Nurse Brown? Me cuss Nurse Brown? Me bring down Nurse Brown? What's your PayPal? With you or me PayPal? Inbox me baby, inbox me with you. If Chef walk us Nurse Brown, Chef that a Chef and Nurse Brown business. Me have Chef blood clot mouth. Me have Chef mouth. Nurse Brown a call Chef name and Chef feel like we answer Chef Nurse Brown. Chef now blood clot feelings too. Chef now have pussy ras clot feelings too. Only look my life one side. Me a Chef mouth, Chef I want big man. Me dad do broke out whip a call, slap him up and say stop cuss Nurse Brown. Alright, make we talk now guys. When me did that come through, Nurse Brown, say ma, do the fundraising for me. Nurse Brown said, Tikki, me do the fundraising for Ivan in my child, me only make $400. Nurse Brown said, matter of fact, me I go send it to you for your come serve here buy food. Nurse Brown said, me $280. Nurse Brown said to me, say, Nurse Brown said to me, say, oh, the lawyer go. Me say, Nurse Brown, me don't know if I go back to Jamaica, I go back to Jamaica, because if you don't have the money to pay for me, I don't know what else I do. He said, I join a payment plan with the lawyer. When he might tell me the payment plan on the phone, he said $700 a month, and he said something like $380 a month for 2 years or $700 a month for 1 year, and he start talk. He said, I take that one for 318. I said, okay, Nurse Brown, take that the one there then. Nurse Brown hired the lawyer asked me my name, the lawyer asked me which part of Jamaica me come from. The lawyer cannot ask me what, the lawyer asked me what happened, make me run for my country. Me tell him say me's a gay. Turn on back the comment section, moderator. Who's moderator turn off my comment section? Anti-Sky, thank you. Turn on back my comment section, guys. Me not turn on comment section for my life. Turn on back my comment section. Nurse Brown asked me say what my name. Me say Elijah asked me. Elijah can ask me say why you have run for your country or them or something. Else the phone I got cut off. I know the finance come mad for me, auntie. To clean up the comment section and run no joke. I know the liar no say to me say, I know the me can't Elijah no come at the court. In morning when me get interview, Elijah no ask me my name now not yet when they call me for interview. Anyway, me sit down in the room and I wait for the immigration asylum judge. When me I wait for them, they say now picking phone name postpone it. What there? 2 weeks after me lie down in my room, me see the man come and call. Como ocho, that a bed 8 then call in a Spanish because a base Spanish then a detention and a base most Spanish then deal with. And the room of me did not appear Spanish. And a 1 or 2 other country did it. So they mostly talking in Spanish. So then come a bed, you know, bed, come call bed 8. Como ocho. Como ocho after 4 in the morning. Me and God alone attend the court. I'm a good on for me and me prayer. When me go to the court, me tell Nurse Brown how it was. Nurse Brown said, Tikki, do the lawyer attend the court? Me say, no, the lawyer wasn't there. Nurse Brown said to me, say, Hambe Brown, you know, say me cannot pay no lawyer this month because me just rent to a room in Brooklyn and me have money for the cash up card, you know. But I just buy food, I must change it at $50 depending. And me I go use it by ghost because me just rent the room and me can't stand hungry. He said, okay, I will take care of it then. You're alright though. Me say yes. I love Nurse Brown so much. When we didn't know, April Nurse Brown called me for money. He said to me, Mr. Tim, say, Nurse Brown, me cannot have no money must pay to the lawyer this month. But me I go give you $200 out of the money, but me not have the whole change that $18. Can you show me say I change that $18? Me pay him, me send him $200 in Zelle. When me send him $200 in Zelle, me I ask me for money. Me say, Nurse Brown, me just rent to an apartment, you know, and me have phone bill for pay. Me have the other lawyer for pay away, file me asylum for me, help me get my work permit and my social security, and who also gonna represent me in a court where I have to pay $600 every month. You can't bear with me and see with me please, because I don't have it this month. And me have phone bill for pay, rent everything for pay and me just moving. I can't bear with me please. He not say nothing on the phone.
Olivia, who gets your MVQ point?
This diva means a lot to me. She is a close.
What me must do again? Everybody I go say, me ungrateful. What me ungrateful?
MVQ means for me.
What's the excuse, Sir June? You go sell your pussy and give me the money. If me not have the money for June, how me I go pay? Tikki, did the lawyer ever come to court? The lawyer not come to court.
Olivia gives her MVQ point to Aja, which
The lawyer not come to the court.
to 4. Sound familiar? Last but not least, Phoenix holds the key. Who gets your MVQ point?
This is a tough one. It really was.
And the lawyer not do nothing. The lawyer can't ask me no question. When you call on the phone, who in a detention when me call right as son when in a detention? Sky Diamond there. He said on the phone, said this call is subject to recording and monitoring. If you say certain things, he cut off for you. Me call a Jamaica, me call the hospital, Percy Junior Hospital, and I ask him a medical report. And the phone cut off, boom! Me I call at the hospital, the phone block the hospital number. I tell Jody if he tell the hospitals if he get the paper them or them black Jody number. Who am my cousin?
And they really have showed why they're an all-star. It goes to Aja.
So you tell me what me do now ungrateful. Okay, everybody go say me ungrateful. Rose go say me ungrateful. Me could have come out and say big pussy Nurse Brown, dirty Nurse Brown, fuck out Nurse Brown, worry Nurse Brown. Me come out and say that. How me ungrateful? How me ungrateful? I know me not say nothing bad for offending Nurse Brown.
Phoenix gives her MVP point to Aja.
How me ungrateful with?
Aja's score.
When I go say Chef should answer Nurse Brown, Chef not have feelings. Blood run through everybody else and the water run through Chef. Blood run through everybody else and the water run through Chef. You know what Nurse Brown love? Nurse Brown just want clout.
Deja, Olivia, Phoenix, all is not lost.
Only for people the right us now. Will help me before see Sky Diamond day. And only for time he bad me up. And ask him if me ever cuss her yet. Me no cuss people will help me. Can't hear what happen. Yes, my mother, me wanna call you. Can me that tell you if you come mad for me? See her, she and Nurse Brown did help me. And ask her how much time. She helped me, she cussed me and bad me up. All of Mexico, she cussed me and blocked me off her phone. After I five phone them, and see me and area now. And today she buy one whole heap of something said go give me. When me go down my room about 5 sheet, me see come. Big ring light. Everything she buy send go give me and she be a Jamaica.
What?
Nurse Brown just want clout, content. Nurse Brown a care feelings. I mean, I want good on in that day.
Thank you, All-Stars. And remember, you can love yourself.
Nurse Brown keep on asking me, Tikki, are you and this guy in something? I said, Nurse Brown, no. Me and this guy not in nothing. We are business partner. He say, you sure? Me say, oh, me and him fit in a something and him be a New York and me be a Connecticut. That girl when he am pretty boy for Canada, moderator stab her off her face, I look what me see my bring me down. Moderator, you know for me and your friend girl, I watch how me go fuck up in a day.